Hello and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare jambol. This is a Diwali sweet usually prepared in Konkani homes during Diwali. It has a brown color on the outside and a white color on the inside. The main ingredients are rava and sugar. It is called jambol because it resembles a type of fruit also called as jambol, or Nyaval Palam as it is called in Malayalam. Coming to ingredients, you need 1 cup of Bombay Rava, 2 cups of water, half cup of sugar. For the sugar solution, you need 3/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup water, 5 to 6 cardamom or elaichi which you have to powder and use. Boil 2 cups of water and half cup of sugar. Once it starts bubbling, simmer the flame and add the rava. You should add the rava just as you do while preparing the upama. That is, stirring with one hand and adding rava with the other hand. Keep on stirring till the rava is cooked. Leave it for cooling. Once it has cooled, mash the rava well. Now smear your hands with oil and make jamun shaped balls out of it. Heat oil in a kadai for deep frying. Fry the jambuls in oil till golden brown. Do not go beyond this color or else the jambul will be hard to bite. Now prepare the sugar solution, adding 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Boil it and make 1 strand consistency syrup. Switch off the flame and add cardamom powder and the fried jumbles and mix well. Some recipes sprinkle powdered sugar to the jumbles when they are hot. This is sprinkled after you remove them from the sugar syrup. So it's your choice whether you want to sprinkle powdered sugar or not. Your jambul is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.